Milwaukee City Attorney has been in office for a little more than a year now.
In that time, there have been a number of headlines about issues in his office, including allegations of sexual harassment. CBS 58's Brittany Lewis sat down with Chairman Spencer to ask about those allegations and other issues.
When I ran on change.
City Attorney Chairman Spencer says change is a reason why a number of employees have left his office.
Had it not been for COVID, I think we would have saw exiting much sooner, right after the election.
But one group is taking issue with that. The Association of Municipal Attorneys of Milwaukee is a group made of assistant city attorneys in the Milwaukee City Attorney's office. It has retained a law firm regarding ongoing concerns about the work environment in the city attorney's office.
If there wasn't an issue, why would some of the attorneys hire an outside attorney?
I mean, you're asking me to talk to you about what somebody else is thinking, and I can't bit more think for them as I could think for you.
This week, Mayor Barrett signed a resolution to make sure all elected officials are governed by city policies regulating sexual harassment and other forms of intimidation. This came after allegations were made against Spencer.
We did, however, find that his actions were inappropriate and unbecoming of his position as the city attorney. So I want to make sure that that is clear, because he continues to say that they are unfounded.
Again, it's totally unfounded. I don't know what the Director of Employee Relationship agenda is, but now let's go back to the timeline. I'm in this office within 3 weeks. These allegations were mounted.
He also addressed statements that he was going to put cameras in to spy on people.
Let's get rid of the misnomer. There are cameras here that my predecessor had in his office.
He said he did not know how many there are, where they are, or who was monitoring them.
I think it's very prudent if folks are concerned about someone making inappropriate actions to them, I need to afford them some kind of security to that.
The Milwaukee Police Association has also expressed concerns about Spencer. An 11-page complaint to the state's Office of Lawyer Regulations said in part his actions have been grossly unethical.
I don't fault the MPA for what they're doing. It's a union. They're trying to stand up for all of their employees and all of their union members. Me, I want what's best for the city. I want you to come to work and to function within the confines of what your job is.
I did reach out to the Office of Lawyer Regulation about the complaint the Milwaukee Police Association filed against the city attorney. They told me the Supreme Court requires the Office of Lawyer Regulation to keep grievance matters confidential. Reporting in Milwaukee, Brittany Lewis, CBS 58 News.